So I'm here. I'm here at the horse farm. These are the puppies. Say hi, guys. Hi. 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 These are the puppies. They're for sale. Oh, yes. Oh, look at them. They're all excited. Yeah, you all excited. Oh, April, look at it. Yeah, I'll definitely have to go in there with you guys and play around. So those are the puppies, and the horses are over there. I'll go over there later and show you them. But, so I'm finally here. So friggin' awesome that I'm here. Okay, yeah, I'm a little kid, just like my thumb. But, anyways, that's it for now. So I'll talk to you all later. Pretty soon. Lots of video coming, guaranteed.